Hello, let's learn some colors. Black color, light yellow color, orange color, deep green color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, light pink color, red color, purple color, deep yellow color, blue color, pink color. Let's draw 2D shapes. Heart, heart, triangle, it's a triangle, triangle, hexagon, hexagon, star, it's a star, star, square, it's a square, square, circle, circle. Let's learn some colors. Old red color, old red color, old red color, big brown color, it's a big brown color, brick brown color, cool grey color, it's a cool grey color, cool grey color, forest green color, it's a forest green color, forest green color, azalea purple color, it's azalea purple color, azalea purple color, deep violet color, it's a deep violet color, deep violet color, heart, triangle, hexagon, star, square, circle. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.